Hello, my friends. Welcome to your morning practice that will stretch and strengthen your whole body. Let's get focused and grounded for the day. I'm Stacey, and this is InBody Wellbeing, your online space to connect deep inside. Let's get started. Come into a tall seat and place your arms down by your sides. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale and lower the arms down. Synchronize your breath with your motion. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and lower the arms down. This time, inhale, arms up and overhead. Place the hands in prayer and draw the hands down to the heart. Interlace your fingers and press your palms forward. Now root your base down and reach up. Grow tall out of the spine. Lower the pelvis, lift through the ribs, reach up through the palms of your hands, and then exhale, lower the hands to prayer. Reverse the interlace, palms forward, palms up. Ground down through the base, stretch up, tall. Exhale, release the hands, hands to prayer, and arms down by your sides. From here, lean forward, move the support out of the way, stretch your legs out in front of you, come into a neutralizing staff pose, and now cross your legs. Coming into cat-cow, hands on your knees, inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round the spine like a cat, lower the head, pull the belly back. Inhale, lift your chest, gaze up. Exhale and round. Again, inhale, arch and lift up. Exhale and round the spine. Now come to neutral, hands down by your sides. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, right arm down, stretch up and over to your right side. Stretch long through the left. And go a little bit deeper on that exhale. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, left arm down, stretch up and over to the right. Feel the stretch through the right side. Again, on the exhale, go a little deeper. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale the arms down. Moving into a seated twist, inhale the arms up again. Exhale, take the right hand behind you, left hand to the knee. And on your exhalation, turn to your right. Feel the squeeze in the belly as you rotate to the right. See if you can go deeper. Inhale back to neutral. Exhale here. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, right hand to the knee, left hand behind you. And again, on the inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale and turn. You can twist a bit more. Inhale for length. Exhale and turn. Inhale, release to center. Exhale, hands are down. Once again, neutralize the body in staff pose, and then come over into tabletop position. As you move into child's pose, bring the hips back to the feet and stretch your arms forward and rest with your breath. From here, return to tabletop. Set your hands up. Place the hands under the shoulders. Ground the four corners of your palms down and open the fingers evenly. Now, walk your knees back and curl your toes under. Move your pelvis towards your heels. Lift the knees up, ground into the feet and hands, and slowly extend out the legs. Your gaze starts out in front of you and then lowers to look between the legs. Hold. Lift up onto the balls of your feet nice and high, and then pedal out 1 foot at a time. Feel the stretch in the backs of the legs as you alternate the heels pressing down. Lift both heels up and move forward into plank pose and hold. Exhale, lift from the belly to take you back into downward dog. Again, inhale forward to plank, heels back, crown forward. Exhale, back into dog. One more time. Inhale into plank. You can hold here, and you may try taking the gaze out in front of you. It keeps your front body nice and bright. Make your whole body work evenly as you lift up and back into downward dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up and back behind you, and then step the right foot to your hands. Lower your back knee down. Inhale here. Exhale into pyramid, straighten the legs. Inhale, bend your front leg, lower the back knee down. It's a knee down Anjane pose. Exhale and straighten both legs. Inhale, knee down lunge, lift your chest. Inhale here. Exhale and straighten the legs. You're going to stay here. Inhale, stretch the chest forward, walk the hands out, and then exhale and fold over the leg. Hold the pose. Draw the abdomen back, forward fold. Now inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, release your back knee down. Inhale, come on up and reach just the left arm up. Hug your hips together, descend the pelvis down. Reach the arms apart as you lift your chest up and look up. Now exhale, come forward, hover over the thigh. Stretch the fingertips apart, get long. Lower your hands down. Left hand stays down, peel and reach the right arm up for easy lunge twist. You can look to the wall out in front of you or up at your hand. See what feels better on the neck. Work the thighs, extend the spine, and rotate your torso. Now look down and lower the right hand down. Take the back knee to the floor. Exhale, draw your hips back for a runner's stretch. Inhale, look forward, walk the hands out. Exhale and fold over the leg. Keep your right quadricep, the front thigh active. Pull the stomach in and surrender the trunk over your leg. Inhale, lift your chest. Take your hands to the outside of your right foot and stretch at a diagonal. Move your left hip back to stretch your whole side body, and then take it around even deeper, making a U-turn shape with your spine. You can bend the elbows, lower the chest down. Walk the hands back to frame your foot. Come forward into that knee down lunge. And if you can, reach the right hand around to your left foot. Draw the foot in as you press it back and turn your body. Release the foot, take the hand down, and step back into downward facing dog. From here, inhale forward to plank, lower the knees, bend the elbows, and come all the way down to the floor. We'll take one cobra. Press down through the feet and hands and lift up through the chest. Exhale, toes under, pull up from your belly and bring it back into downward facing dog. From here, prepare for second side. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale and place the left foot between your hands. Lower the back knee down. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, straighten the leg. We move in and out of these two shapes. Knee down lunge. Inhale, lift the chest. Pyramid. Exhale, straighten the legs. One more time. Inhale, bend the front leg, lower the back knee. Exhale, pyramid and hold. Now inhale, stretch your chest forward, walk the hands out. Exhale, fold over the leg. Keep your right quadricep lifting your kneecap to stretch the hamstrings safely. Hollow the abdomen, forward fold. Now inhale, bend the front leg, lower the back knee down. Lift your trunk up and just the right arm. Arms reach apart. Hug the hips together, descend the pelvis. Stretch the arms apart. Inhale, lift up, look up. Take that back bend. And then as you're ready to exhale, lean forward, take the back knee off the floor, reach long between the fingertips. Take the right hand down and then the left hand down. Prepare for easy lunge twist. Inhale, left arm up. You can look toward the wall to your left or take the gaze up. See what feels better for your neck. Again, strong line between the heel and the crown. Rotate the trunk, arms apart. And then lower the left hand down. Take the back knee to the floor. Inhale, exhale, take your hips back for a runner's stretch. Be mindful. Look forward on the in-breath, walk your hands out, and exhale and fold over the front leg. Take the hands to the outside of the foot, get that diagonal stretch, and then walk it around to the side. Bend the elbows, lower the chest, and move the right hip back. From here, walk the hands to frame the foot, bend the front leg, and from here, hips down and forward, pick the back foot up. Your left hand reaches for the right foot. From here, draw the foot in. Exhale, release the foot back down. Step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, slowly lower all the way to the ground into prone position. Extend the legs back. Take your hands wide. Come onto your fingertips. Now, moving into Gecko Cobra. Ground the feet. Press into the fingertips. Lift up. Lift the chest. Draw the shoulder blades down your back body. Lift the chest higher. And then exhale, slowly lower back to the floor. Place the hands by the sides of your chest, press back and sweep the legs around, setting up for boat pose. Lift the legs, extend fully, reach the arms out, steady yourself with a nice strong core and a fixed gaze, and then release. From here, plant your heels and begin to roll down your spine. Slowly, methodically, hollow the belly as you move and place your spine all the way down. Come onto your back with your legs folded and place a block, if you have one, horizontally between the legs. Arms down by your sides. Flip your palms to the ceiling and bend your arms, palms face in. Ground the triceps down the upper arms, lift your chest, squeeze the block, press into your feet and lift your hips up. Keep your chin lifted, hold, activate, heels toward the shoulders, pelvis to the knees, and then exhale, slowly lower down. Lower the arms. We're going to do it again. Flip your palms to the ceiling, bend the arms into a right angle, ground the upper arms, lift the chest, press into the feet and lift the hips. This time extend your arms and walk the hands underneath the body, interlace the fingers. Notice I'm moving my shoulders together. Try to do that. And as you press down into the pinkies, lift your hips up higher. Hold and breathe. Release the grip, separate the shoulder blades, and lower the spine down. Arms rest by your sides. You can wrap your arms around your legs and squeeze everything together. From here, we'll move into supine twist. Lower your feet to the floor and extend your arms into a T position. Move the hips to the right, extend your left leg long, and take your right knee over to the left side. Left hand on right knee, right hand can stay out or hold your left foot with your right hand. Breathe into the twist. Feel the deep squeeze on your belly. Release the foot and come back into a neutral position. second side, move the hips to the left, extend your right leg and take your left knee over to the right. Right hand on the knee, left arm stays out, or you can hold on to the bottom foot, your right foot. And just feel that squeeze on the abdomen, breathing into that deep squeeze on the belly. And release. Bring the body back to a neutral position. Take a breath. Draw the knees back into the chest, soles of the feet together, and wrap your hands around your feet. Supine butterfly. Press your knees away from you as you draw the feet toward you. From here, extend your right leg out to the side. Hand can stay on the foot or lower to the ankle. Feel the stretch, and then bring the right foot in. Take the left leg out, same thing. Position the hand comfortably, feel the stretch, and then bring the feet together. This time, open both legs wide. Right. Hands can stay on the feet. If you need to move them, that's fine. Feel that opening of the inner legs. Bring the feet together. And then come into happy baby pose. Bring the legs into right angles, feet over knees, knees in line with hips, and try to roll your tailbone to the mat. Feel that opening in your hips. Release your feet. Take the legs down to the mat. Come into Savasana. Rest your mind, absorb your mind in the sensations of the body. And then draw the legs in. Roll on to your left side. You may want to grab a support to sit on. Place it underneath you and come into an upright seated position. Let me know how you're feeling in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'm so excited to be bringing these authentic practices to you. Have a beautiful day. Until next time.